Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and get into multiplying rational expressions. So what we need to do first is get everything factored out. So that hopefully we can cancel. So we're going to approach this the exact same way we just did our regular ones. So first steps first is I've got stuff squared, so let's see if I can create 2 parentheses out of it. Well, my second term does not have any x's on it, so I have to. Once I clean my glasses because I can't see anything. Oh, I just made that 1,000 times worse. So, what'll multiply to 4x squared? I want the same thing twice. So what multiplies into 4? Good, 2. So I have 2x and I have 2x. Multiplies to a -1, adds to 0. -1 and +1. On the denominator, we're going to have to do our t-chart. So on my t-chart, we're going to multiply to a -6. So what multiplies to a -6 adds to a -5. -6 plus 1. So I have 2x squared minus 5x. Oops, I'm sorry. 2x squared minus 6x plus x minus 3. So what will be divided out of 2x squared and 6x? 2x. And what's left over? X minus 3. Okay, so once I get the guys in the parentheses, I copy it over. Taking a look at the second guy, what is being divided? Well, if I have x divided by x, that just gives me 1. -3 divided by -3 just gives me 1. So I have 2x plus 1, and I have x minus 3. Taking a look at the second equation, I have x squared, so I'm going to go ahead and do my 2 sets of parentheses. So I get x and x. Multiplies to -9, excuse me, multiplies to a 9, adds to -6. -3 and 3. And if you notice, in my denominator, we're multiplying to a -6 again. And this time we're going to add to a +5. So I want 6 minus 1. So I have 2x squared plus 6x minus x minus 3. So I take out a 2x. That's with x plus 3. Leave a little space right, x plus 3. I divided out a -1. So on the denominator, I have x plus 3 and 2x minus 1. So I'm looking for stuff that'll cancel on either top or bottom. They don't have to be on the same. I just need one top, one bottom. So my 2x plus 1 and my 2x plus 1 cancel. My 2x minus 1 and my 2x minus 1 cancel. I have my x minus 3's cancel. And this is the only thing I'm left with. So my answer to this first one is just x minus 3. Okay, I don't have enough room to do my work. My thing's tied together, so I'm going to steal this. Ta-da! Number 2. look, it's like I didn't even know I had another problem. So we want to go ahead and start by factoring. So over here on the right side on top, I'm going to have to do that T method, which, hey, isn't that the bottom of the one before? Crap, where'd it go? Oh, don't I already know what it looks like? I do. So that was what? X plus 3 times 2x minus 1? Yes, 2x minus 1. Okay, and that is going to be divided by x times x minus 4. Again, even though there's a squared, I can only take out an x, so once I take out that x, there's nothing else I can do with it, so I'm done. I can take out a 2. I can take out an x squared because I want to take out as much as I can. When I do that, I'm left with x minus 4. Oh, wait, look, we see that one again. Multiplying to a positive 9, adding to a positive 6. Positive 3 and positive 3. My x plus 3's cancel. And x minus 4 cancels. Now, I have two x's being multiplied here, essentially. And I have one single x on the bottom. So what I can do is cancel out one of those x's, and I'm still left with one. So on top, I'm left with 2x times 2x minus 1. And on bottom, I'm left with x plus 3. Okay, go ahead and try these. Check your answers. That means pause video. Ta-da!